Bathtub drains get clogged all the time because, honestly, hair mixed with soap and shampoo just loves to stick around and cause trouble. So here's the deal. First, grab a pair of gloves because, yeah, it's kinda gross, but you gotta get that hair out by hand. Next, use a drain snake or a bent wire hanger to fish out any deep clogs. You'll be surprised how much gunk comes up. Pouring boiling water down the drain after clearing the big chunks helps melt away soap scum and keeps things flowing smooth. Avoid those harsh chemical drain cleaners like Drano, since they can mess up your pipes and usually don't even work that well. Instead, try a mix of baking soda and vinegar. Pour half a cup of baking soda, then half a cup of vinegar, cover the drain, wait about 30 minutes, and flush with hot water. Keep a small drain cover or hair catcher on your bathtub drain to stop hair from slipping in and causing future clogs. Regularly removing visible hair and rinsing the drain can save you from a nasty blockage down the road. If the drain still feels slow after all that, it might be time to call a plumber before things get worse. One of the biggest mistakes with bathtub drain clogs is ignoring slow drainage until it becomes a full-on blockage. Fix this by acting as soon as you notice any slowdown. Another common issue is using chemical cleaners like Drano. These can corrode pipes and don't fix the root cause, so switch to natural methods or manual removal instead. The third mistake is not using any kind of hair catcher or drain guard, which lets hair build up constantly. Investing in one is an easy fix that stops clogs before they start. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the hassle and sketchy stuff online. Plus, it's a great way for contractors to connect with real clients who need their skills for home fixes and improvements.